channel, y'all. I want to share with y'all the gazebo's taking like 30-35 mile per hour wind gusts. As you can see, the trees moving real hard. Pretty much it's been holding up pretty good. That being said, I think the trick to it is if you put them down good, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Instead of anchoring them in the ground, I recommend you guys use cement blocks on them. And that's my theory. Screw them down to some wood or something like that and use cement blocks. You can see the trees, how the trees is blowing. So it's taking a lot of gusty winds. See the trees? The gust is coming up. See how it's taking a lot of gusty winds here? It's about a 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gust. And it's taking it with no problem. See here? You can actually see the thing moving. So you guys will believe me. Look at the trees. See the trees? See the top of the gazebo? I just want to share that with y'all. This thing taking some wind now. Look at it. But, like I said, the theory is, if you put them down good, you shouldn't have no problems. You know, it goes by how good you put them down. See, a lot of people that don't have, they think staking them in the ground gonna do it. But once the wind moves, it pulls them out of the ground. You gotta have something to hold the weight down to them. So that's my theory. You can see the wind gusts. It's every bit about 30 to 35 miles per hour at times. You can see the top of it blowing real hard. I'm trying to see how long will it stand up without me reinforcing it any. So I'm gonna reinforce them anyway, but I'm just trying to see how long will it stand up on their own. See, that'll let me know how much reinforcements I would need to do to it. You know, right now the cement block's doing this thing. It's holding the weight down. It ain't really doing a whole lot of buzzing too much. And you can see the wind blowing the top real bad. See there? So anyway, let's give y'all some updates. Y'all get busy with them, man. Like I said, the best thing to use is cement blocks to hold them things down in place. Now the cement blocks, ain't nothing pretty much gonna hold them. When it comes from the wind, y'all can hear the winds and see the trees blowing. So the wind is up. See there? It's up high too. See the top of those trees? It's very windy here today. And winds like 30 to 35 miles per hour, give or take. But anyway, I'm gonna hit you guys on the next one. Y'all be safe. I'm out.